I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer.
Welcome to a beautiful episode of Namaste America. So today we are here on a very popular flea market called Oldsmar Flea Market. Oldsmar Flea Market has been here for more than 30 years. It's situated right next to the racetrack road and Oldsmar in Tampa. If you happen to be in Tampa, please check this flea market because it's huge. It has a massive collection of toys, antiques, plants, vegetables, you name it, it's here. So if you get a chance, please visit Oldsmar Flea Market and support the local business. So I'm here early, like actually they start only at 9 o'clock, but I thought I'll come a little early, so it's only 8:30, so might be they're still closed, so we just have to check it out. Okay, so the first shop I came is looks like a household stuff, lot of household stuff, and they have some cool ocean theme things also to hang in our room. But looks like the price is way high. He's asking like $45 for this kind of ocean theme stuff, and I am going to pass it and moving on to the next place. There's some wood craft shops here, jewelry shops. I don't know where to start. There's like plenty of things, but I'm going to look around. This is a restaurant area, and the restaurant area is usually not open until 9:30. So you can see people are still coming and opening their shop. This is like a painting shop, and everybody is like coming around 8:45 and opening up the shops and putting everything outside. This looks like a handbag or leather. I think handbag. Yeah, handbag place. Oh man, this place is huge. Lot of handbags. So I always come to this flea market. Wow, some cool Buccaneers stuff. Buccaneers won the Super Bowl this year, so this shop looks like it's packed with the Buccaneers stuff. So back to what I'm talking. I used to come here all the time and get veggies and some fruits and go back. I never look around, and I'm so surprised to see there's plenty of things here to do. Actually, you can spend the whole day here.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone, my summer love.
So I'm in the veggies and fruits area. As you can see, there's tons of vegetables and fruits here. I'm going to see the strawberries. Okay, they have the farm fresh brown eggs, $6.99. That's pretty cool. And some strawberries from Plant City. Wow, look at that color. So I wanted to buy the big cart of strawberries, this big, because everybody likes strawberries at home. Looks like it's $20 for that packet. And I was also surprised to see the tamarind that I used to eat when I was a child back in Kerala. And this, like, we have trees full of this tamarind, and my mom used to make curry with it, and the chili pepper also. This chili pepper, I think it's mostly on the Mexican side, because we never see that in India. and there's some cool pecans also. So this place is like plenty of stuff, lot of peanuts, tomatoes. Oh my goodness, look at that size of the tomato. So some pretty cool stuff like sugar cane, fresh oranges, farm oranges, all the stuff. So if you're happy, if you just come to flea market to buy vegetables, you can go straight and then you'll find the store. Okay, now we can look back. Now we can look around to see some other stuff. This area is whole full of household stuff. As you can see, completely loaded with house stuff. Pretty much any tools you can find it here for a good reasonable price, and some cool home stuff. Check this out, looks like an antique. Oh my god. I almost broke it. And they have some nice earrings, accessories. Sometimes you can find good antiques here, so you just have to keep looking. And you can also find some home furniture, even a pet store. So I'm just looking around. I'm not buying all this stuff. Just looking around to see what all things. It's a cool pan, but it's $25. Man, this place is like way expensive. So I also found an Indian store. As I'm from India, this place looks so cool to me, because usually I don't get all these things in American store like guava and some Indian vegetables. So maybe the okra. So maybe I can just come here on the weekend to get some Indian vegetables. So that's a good find for me. I never come this side of the market. How much are they? One actually, very pretty.
It's for you?
You get all baby stuff. Hi, good morning. Oh, it's a cute store.
Well, thank you. Want me to explain it? Anything
Sure.
on this shelf is $1. Are you
Okay.
putting it on Facebook for me?
Sure, I can.
Okay. My name is Mary, and this is my store.
Hi, Mary.
Fantastic Flea General Store. Anything on this shelf here is $1. From the floor to the ceiling. Anything on this shelf, all the way up front, is $2 and up.
Oh, okay.
And anything over on this side, and I know you're going to do this, I would have straightened up a little bit.
You have a lot of stuff.
Anything over on this side is 25 cents a night.
Oh, perfect. That's
and in
great.
The back, it's mostly all marked.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's a big store.
It's a big store. I got a lot of Christmas stuff. I try to keep my little Christmas
Oh,
things going because
okay.
people love Christmas.
I know.
all
I
year
love
long.
Christmas.
Yeah.
I got the Christmas ornaments from here a long time back.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Cool. I put them out all during the year, baby.
Yeah. Thanks, Mary.
Thank
you have
you.
a good day.
More-
So I like this piece. What do you think about it?
I think it's gorgeous.
Okay.
It's only $4.
Yes.
It's a great price for this.
Okay.
And open it up, and you can put anything in there.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Perfect. Thanks, Mary. So we are here. There's so many shops. I'm overwhelmed. Usually when I come here, I just buy the vegetables and leave. But now that I'm taking a vlog and I'm looking around, man, this place is huge. It has everything that you can dream of. Everything you're looking for in a home, the You can even scratch. It's written Florida. So if you're really interested in opening a store here, you can contact this vendor office hours. Office, and they have the vendor hours showing there, and you can rent or buy a property here. So you can also see some cool stuffs here. She's making fresh homemade donuts and military museum. So I am on the antique side, or like a market side of the flea market, so you can see more of these antique stuffs now. So this place is the first shop I'm getting into. It looks like it has a lot of antique stuffs and cars, especially the fire engine and the trucks, collectibles, you can find it here. So if you're a big collectible person, don't forget to check it out, this area. It's a little closer to the end and you won't miss it. The whole area is full of antiques and house stuff and paintings and everything.
Forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is forever yours.
This huge box of strawberries for $20. I got this sugar cane for $3, and I got a nice small set that I have something to do with it. So these are the only things I got it. So time to go home, and so hot here. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog about Oldsmar Flea Market. It's a huge area. If you guys are here, please check it out. There are a lot of stuff. I enjoyed being here for more than an hour now, and it's time to go home. Please watch, subscribe and like my videos, and until next episode of Namaste America, this is Sajna signing off.